Earth is not just a planet. It's a living system, dynamic, restless, and constantly reshaping itself. Deep beneath your feet, tectonic plates drift on a sea of molten rock. When they collide, mountains rise. When they pull apart, oceans open. And when pressure becomes too great, volcanoes erupt, releasing the same materials that once formed the first atmosphere. Above this shifting crust, the oceans act like Earth's beating heart. They regulate temperature, store carbon, and move heat around the globe through vast currents. Without them, our world would swing between extremes too harsh for life. The atmosphere works as Earth's protective shield. It filters radiation, traps just enough heat to keep liquid water stable, and distributes storms that replenish ecosystems. Even the strongest hurricanes are part of a system that keeps the planet's energy in balance. Forests, wetlands, coral reefs, deserts, all these environments contribute to Earth's resilience. Life on this planet doesn't just adapt to the environment, it actively shapes it. Trees release chemicals that form clouds. Microbes recycle nutrients. Even tiny ocean plankton help cool the planet by capturing sunlight and carbon. And yet, Earth's history is anything but peaceful. 5 mass extinctions, rising and falling sea levels, supervolcanoes, shifting magnetic fields, our planet reinvents itself again and again. But through all these changes, one truth remains. Earth is the only world we know that maintains liquid water, active geology, and a thriving biosphere, 3 ingredients that create a self-sustaining, ever-evolving cradle for life. Understanding this complexity is more than curiosity. It helps us protect the only home we have. If you enjoyed exploring our living planet, like the video and subscribe for more science-based mysteries of Earth, the ocean, and the universe.